benefits are it's
Basically, you are using this 3D. This is for printing design, or it is using in practical
construction, sir.
also.
Practical
Construction.
construction. We can firstly it started from small designs itself only, like smaller toys and all. Now we just thought that if we make the machines big enough so that we can make houses, it will be very useful. Recently it started. We also started making houses like that.
What are the advantages of your
It's very
proposal
speed,
over
sir.
the traditional method?
So it uses traditional method and it is very efficient, very speed, and it doesn't
Like when we use the traditional methods, it takes so much time, it takes
and
so much
material waste.
efforts to make it. Now when 3D printing, we use this machines itself, so not much efforts being input, so it's easy.
It is like you are saying, it is starting from designing to implementation, the construction.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.